What's up, YouTube? This is Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today with another Onpassive video. And before we get into that, well, let me just go ahead and pull it up. Forgot where I had it. Let's see. First, let's go to the site as usual. Let me make this adjustment. We're going to be going to Onpassive. Got my all caps on. There we go. Passive.com. Go to the site, and we're going to be looking at Omail today. Omail, pretty much like all of the products inside of this particular platform, are going to be AI based. And this one is the one we're going to be going through today. Organizational communication in a hassle-free manner. Switch to an easy and effortless way to communicate at your workplace. No more. Omail is an email platform created by Onpassive. The platform enables the users to exchange communication and gives them a unique experience of communicating in a hassle-free manner. Omail has various features that make it the best email platform and also proves to be a significant competitor in the global market. Technology in Omail has smart features like unlimited storage, okay, online and offline integration of calendar, synchronization of email across multiple devices, import contacts and addresses from the existing email address, to name a few from the platter of various features. Now, if this is going to be AI driven, if it's going to be secure, should be something that businesses would love to use. So you don't want nobody getting their hands on your emails, on your patents, and whatever you're trying to do in your own company. This would be for you. And if I'm not mistaken, there was another webinar I watched or I was on live where he was talking about the owner of the company. He said they got they have something going on with the government. The government contacted them to create a certain type of product for them as well. So apparently they've watched them and they pretty much done their research on it because I don't think they would be just jumping into it into any company and saying, oh, we need you to come look at this and see if you can build this for us. So this company's turning out to be bigger than most expected. Let's go down here as usual. We're going to check out the features, some of those features. Import your contacts from your old email. I'm not sure if you can do that in your other email address. Somebody comment down below if you can or can't. I don't know if you can. I'm not sure though. Import your contacts from your old email to your old mail. I guess like Google, Gmail, Yahoo are the most common. Me myself, I also have one called, I have Proton Mail. That's something I just got recently, maybe a couple months ago. It looked like it may be more secure, and I didn't want all the email going to a certain account. So if I don't have a lot of spam, which I don't in this particular email address, Proton Mail, so I use that one. You can schedule emails. You got unlimited storage, and most of these you have to pay to get unlimited storage. You have to upgrade to a certain amount per month, so it's not going to be paid here. You know, if you're going to be pretty much in this particular platform, it's going to be one price for everything. And as far as I know, everything in these platforms, every particular service they offer is going to have unlimited features versus the one that you currently have, which will give you like the unlimited storage on here. Other ones you probably have unlimited emails. I'm guessing if you have the email account. So I don't think they're having a limit. You more likely will be able to upload yeah, there it is right there. Import your contacts from old email. So you more likely can upload those contacts and send emails to them as well. Sync emails across the device, synchronize, customize, and enable notifications. Anything else, or is that it? Pretty much it. Go down here below to the FAQ. Let's see. Go down to the bottom. Most people know what CC means. How to search for text within a message. I wonder if they have that available as well. That was something I was thinking about yesterday. If they actually had a product that way they can do SMS messaging, but I guess that's something I have to ask in the webinar because we do have a founders only webinar, and if I'm able to join it, I can ask them, will we be having an SMS message system as well? But okay, how to search for a text message? Open the message, press F4, and enter. How to create folders, how to enable auto spell checking, how to create so you're gonna have automatic spell checking inside of it as well, looks like. Tools, options, spell tab, always check before sending. Okay. I don't use a lot of email. I don't use mail as often either, so I don't know if other ones have that as well. Signature, group list, delete mail. How many mails can be stored in each mailbox? The recommendation is 5,000 messages per folder. What is the time frame for conversion? The library will be converted this spring. I'm not sure when they put this in here. It's just, there's no date, so I'm not sure what they mean. Is it last spring? Was it last year? Don't have a date for that. But it will be converting this spring. The meeting maker system will then be shut down, and that Monday you will begin using calendaring and Omail. Okay. How to customize the view of my mailbox, how to create an address book, how to empty the trash, flag email for message follow-up, delivery receipt track. So that's interesting. The delivery receipt lets you know when the email is delivered to the recipient's mailbox. Reduce the size of pictures and attachments in Omail. What is IMAP? Internet Message Access Protocol. For the user to send and receive emails from a local server. Okay. Can emails be unsent? Again, that depends on your email provider. Some email providers have an option to set the time for unsending the mail. Emails have read receipts. Some email providers have it available, others do not. Gmail by Google does not have read receipt for personal users, whereas the option is made available for business users. Okay, so you have to upgrade in that particular platform to get it. I don't know if they have it here. Do emails take up space? I'm sure they do. Wrong one. Yes, all emails take up space. Why is my email stuck in the outbox? Do emails expire? Can emails have spaces? Are emails stored? Can email addresses be traced? Why do some emails go to spam? I have a plethora of questions here and answers. Can emails be blocked? Okay, now let's see if I can find me a quick little video that's talking about Omail. And here we go. See if we get
Omail organizational communication in a hassle-free manner. Switch to an easy and effortless way to communicate at your workplace. Know more about Omail. Omail is an email platform created by Onpassive. The platform enables the users to exchange communication and gives them a unique experience of communicating in a hassle-free manner. Omail has various features that make it the best email platform and also prove to be a significant competitor in the global market. Our technology in Omail has smart features like unlimited storage, online and offline integration of calendars, synchronization of email across multiple devices, import contacts and addresses from the existing email address, to name a few from the platter of various features that are offered by the email platform. Omail users are given many options to customize according to their preferences and enable notifications across multiple devices, scheduling mails and so on. Omail strives to provide the best experience to its users worldwide by enabling the latest updates in the email platform, one that would create engaging and long-term relationship with the users. Key features of Omail. Omail, an AI-powered email service, comes with multiple features that enhance the ease with which you send and receive emails and manage your contacts.
Okay.
It is a convenient and user-friendly solution to all your emailing needs. Access online and offline calendars. Sync emails across multiple devices. Import contacts from old email to your Omail account. Customize and enable notifications. Schedule emails. Get unlimited storage space. Many more updates to come. A bill must.
Okay, that's about it. And what Unpassive real goal is to get all tools in one location. So let's say you log in. Not right now. If I have to log in, if I have to send an email, I have to log into Yahoo. I have to y'all log into Gmail or log into one of those accounts. And then to do something else, like I wanted to contact my someone on my team and my CRM, I have to go to the CRM, get that information, do it in there. If I want to edit something, I have to go open another website or open up another tool outside of my that platform. And what they're doing is bringing all of this together in one platform. You log in, and everything is right there in the dashboard. You'll be able to see all those products sitting there in the dashboard to use. So once you log in, you won't have to log out of here, go there. You won't need three screens or three desktop screens on your desktop to do it. You can use it all in one location. And that's pretty much what they're trying to do, simplify the business and pretty much make you more productive. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. If you do want to check out more information about Unpassive, thank you for watching. This is Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos.